Welcome to Ideazoom Academy. Hello, little scientists. Welcome to Ideazoom Academy. Today, we are going to learn about something super cool, blockchain. What is blockchain? Imagine you are building a tower with toy blocks. Each block has a special sticker on it, and once you place a block, you can't change or remove it. That's just like blockchain. It is a special way of storing information safely so no one can cheat or change it. How does it work? Let's say you and your friends are playing a game and keeping score.
Everyone writes scores. Cheating's obvious.
Blockchain works the same way. It keeps information safe by sharing it with many people. Why is blockchain important? Blockchain helps keep important things safe, like money, messages, medical records, and even video game points. Once something is written in blockchain, no one can change or erase it. Where is blockchain used? Applications of blockchain. 1. Digital money. Cryptocurrency. Blockchain helps people send and receive digital money safely. 2. Buying and selling online. It keeps records of who bought what, just like a receipt. 3. Medical records. Doctors can keep patient records safe without anyone changing them. 4. Voting. Some countries use blockchain to make sure voting is fair. 5. Video games. Many games use blockchain to store points and rewards safely. Real-world example. Buying ice cream. Imagine you go to an ice cream shop and buy an ice cream. Normally, the shopkeeper writes down the sale in their notebook. But what if they forget or lose the notebook? What if someone tries to change the price? Now, think of blockchain as a super notebook that everyone can see and no one can change. Digital coin buys ice cream, record in the ledger. Everyone sees that you bought ice cream and no one can erase or change that information. This way, blockchain makes sure everything is recorded correctly and safely, just like having a magical notebook that always tells the truth. What did we learn? Blockchain is like a chain of blocks that stores information safely. It's like a magic notebook that everyone shares, so no one can trick anyone. Keep asking big questions, little scientists. See you next time at Ideazoom Academy.